Welcome. Today we're going to be covering the 1500i Datalogic Scanner. So I've grabbed this one from downstairs and it's all brand new in box. So we're going to take the tray with the warranty information out, and inside we've got the cables, which is a USB to scanner cable, the scanner itself, and the scanner stand in the box here. So the scanner stand is the first thing I'm going to take out, and that's just to get a feel for it and show you kind of what it looks like. So this stand is a little different from most others in that it has a moving part. So on the base of this stand you can actually pull back and then get the cable through to the socket. So I'll demonstrate that in a minute. So here's the actual scanner. This is the 1500i. It's the replacement for the 1100 series that we have been selling. And it's got a wider lens on it. So as you swipe a product through, it identifies quicker. Now on the bottom of this, there's two grooves on the base of the stand, as you can see here. And there's two grooves in the actual scanner. So what you want to do is line those two up and then clip them together. This does take a little bit of persuasion. Now you can do this any way you like. I'm just doing this as a demonstration of how the unit comes together. So you can see here that's how it is on the stand. But we do need to plug in the cable. So the cable is in this bag here. One side USB, one side socket. So this little bit at the bottom here is where I said we have a moving part. So you pull back on it and it goes down flappy. And what you want to do is get the socket side, which is like an Ethernet cable, plug it through the hole in the bottom of the stand and into the scanner, and then reconnect the base. And you can see here I had an issue because I had it the wrong way around and I was having a bit of a fiddle. But on top of that, I'd also placed the scanner just a little bit further up. So I'll demonstrate that without the scanner in place. I don't want to mount this one entirely because I have to put it back in the box to go back into the warehouse. So what we'll do here, we'll just go through. Maybe easier to do this first. Here's the plug. It's sitting in the socket nice and solid now. So we're going to get this cable out of the way and then pull this floor back up. Put it back in the sockets and then clip it back forward like this. And then it's back in place. What you'll notice there too is we also had a magnet on the bottom, and that's for mounting to the counter if you want it mounted and not loose. From there you put your scanner back on top and clip it in, and then you got your scanner. From there you plug it into the point of sale with the USB cable, and you're good to go. If this helps you get it going, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell notification for future updates. See you next time.